It's a new 2018 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: turbo i6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, heavy-duty shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, "Clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before." Ram works hard, plays harder. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.